Email marketing doesn't have to feel like a full-time job. You can stay consistent without burning yourself out. A simple trick is to let ChatGPT do the brainstorming for you, then schedule everything ahead of time. One of the biggest reasons beginners quit email marketing is because they run out of things to say. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can ask it to generate a batch of ideas, things like quick tips, personal stories, or product recommendations, and suddenly you've got a whole list ready to go. You can pause here if you want to copy the prompt or swap in your own niche to make it fit. Once you have your ideas, just load them into your email tool, schedule them out, and you will never be scrambling at the last minute again. It keeps your emails consistent and your workflow stress free. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder includes a 30-day faceless content calendar and pre-made AI prompts, so you'll always have fresh emails ready, making consistency effortless. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to plan, write, and send emails without stress. Check the link in the description to get started today.